The 2019 Morgan Plus 6. The 2020 Morgan Plus 6 is a retro-styled, two-door, two-seat roadster built by Morgan Motor Company. Unveiled at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show, the Plus 6 replaces the Plus 8, a roadster that Morgan last introduced in 2012. Although it looks a lot like its predecessor, the Plus 6 stands out thanks to an optional hardtop, new technology, and for being the company's first vehicle with a turbocharged engine. The Plus 6 is also Morgan's first brand new model in a very long time. While the Aero and the Plus 4 date back to 2001 and 2005, the Plus 8 and 3-wheeler were redesigned most recently in 2012. This makes the Plus 6 the first brand new Morgan in 7 years. If we don't count the EV3, an electric version of the 3-wheeler, launched in 2016. What's this new model all about? Let's find out in the review below. Exterior. The Plus 6 is almost identical to the Plus 8 as far as exterior design goes. The Plus 6 may be described as a brand new vehicle, but it's actually almost identical to the Plus 8 as far as exterior design goes. It takes a really close look to notice the mild changes that Morgan made with this redesign. Up front, we can notice the same trademark design that Morgan has been using since the Plus 8 was introduced in the late 1960s. The Plus 6 features the radiator grille that's rounded at the top and arched toward the engine hood, and the same fenders that wrap around the wheels but connect to the grille frame in a more modern fashion. Even the lighting setup is similar, with 3 pair of lights on.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.